In this video, I'll be introducing you to forecasting function in Excel. However, keep in mind that this is a very basic and probably the starting point of forecasting. When you're in an organization, you want to have all the stakeholders um, working with you to come up with forecasts. You just do not want to log into Excel and calculate this rather very simple function and give your projections, because forecasting depends on range of other factors such as any contracts that you might have won or any upsizing that the managers on the ground are anticipating, uh, the economy, uh, a lot of other factors in a nutshell affect forecasting. So although this is and can be a starting point, but you cannot really rely on this figure unless you take into account various other factors. And most organizations these days actually go bottom up when it comes to forecasting, which means they would actually have someone in the organization or in the business unit who is held responsible for the forecast and P&L numbers. These people would usually originate from operations or finance, but these people are the ones who are basically responsible for day-to-day activities of the business. In any case, let's look at the function in Excel for forecasting. To forecast in Excel, click in B8 equals, and the function itself is called forecast. So you just type in FORE, press tab, and the first argument that Excel is asking you is X. This is the year that you're calculating. For us, that would be A8, comma, non-Ys. These are your sales revenues. So you select that range, comma, and non-X's. These are the years for which we have the sales revenue. Once that's selected, close the parentheses, hit enter. For 2010, Excel has calculated $66 million as the forecast. Again, you need to be very careful if you are going to be utilizing this to project any numbers, and it's very hard to stand behind this number. You really have to go bottom up to get more clarity as to what might be coming your way.